Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with 911 Studios and we are checking out some of our favorite bread machines on all of Amazon. This one is the MOOSOO. You guys, this is 25 in one. They have so many different settings, so many different options. It does all of your favorite breads and not just breads, like all of the baked goods, all of the cakes, yogurt, jam, meatloaf, etc., etc., etc. 25 different settings. This is one of the most versatile machines I've seen. It also has 3 different crust settings and 3 different size settings. It's made out of really, really high quality materials. I mean, look at this thing. It's brushed stainless steel. It's beautiful. It's ceramic coated, everything on the inside. So it's really, really easy to clean. Everything detaches, comes apart, wipes down and cleans crazy easy. One of my favorite features, and that I think is so cool, especially if you have kids, there is a little viewing window on top so you can easily see every single process of the bread making. I just think that is really, really fun and just a great added touch. Amazing feature. You guys, this is going to make it so easy to really control what goes into your bread, make your family healthier. There is a gluten-free setting option here that's going to make the best gluten-free bread in the business. So if that is you, this is the machine that you need. Of course, there are other machines on the market that you can put your own gluten-free ingredients into, but they might not have that exact setting. So you want to look and make sure, because they are going to take the guesswork out of the baking for you and make sure that they adjust, the time and the temperature and the kneading, all of that to your gluten-free ingredients that are going to make an even better, tastier loaf of bread. You guys, this is a super large capacity, 2 pounds up to, and yeah, this is an amazing product. MOOSOO, they've got a lot of great reviews. Get it on Amazon so you know you have that 30-day money-back guarantee if you aren't completely satisfied, but I'm confident that you're going to be. You guys, check it out, get to baking some bread, make yourself a little bit happier and healthier. It's a great project to do while you are at home for sure. Check it out, MOOSOO Bread Machine. You'll be really glad you did.